In your finishing options, you have your option to collate and offset your pages. This is defaulted with your machine to come this way. You do have the option to group based on page number, so all page 1s, all page 2s, all page 3s will be grouped together on the machine, and offset based on page number. You can staple and collate. With this option, you have your corner stapling, which is your standard corner stapling defaulted to top left. You also have other options to move where the staple is presented on the page. You can double staple on one side of the page, left or right. You can saddle stitch your pages. You can add a cover. You can also change the position of how these are stitched and enter custom measurements for how you'd like that to be done. And you can change the paper type that's being used for that. You also see your paper with staple here, which is called staple-free stapling, defaulted again to your top left corner. You can also move it to the same positions, top right, or bottom left. Your two-sided copy is out here on the front. It's going to be defaulted to one-sided copying. When you open this menu, you're going to see your input followed by your output. So the top that you see is going to be what you're putting into the document handler, and the bottom is what you're expecting to come out. You can also change the details of how the page flips. So book style flipping would be if it flips just like a book. So if it's going to flip left to right, all your pages are at the top of the page. Calendar type would be flipping from the bottom up, so your page is reversed when you flip. You can adjust the density of your copies. When you place the copy in the machine, it's going to adjust density automatically based on what you put in here. It's going to assume the density is exactly how you want it as it is on the page now. You can adjust it to create a lighter or darker copy of what you're doing. You can also set it to auto, to attempt to auto adjust the page to a good level. This is going to automatically be listed as text photo, which means it's going to sense what's on the page and copy it in the best quality that it can. You can adjust this if you need to, but text photo is going to be the most common of what you would want to use here.